Let's check on the wings by 10 minutes, then 15, and then 20. Alright, so let's put it in. Shomo Shoko! Welcome po sa Panlasang Tisoy. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another episode of Mobile Stories, the Air Fryer Series. Air Fryer Series. So this time I'm going to show you how to fry chicken wings using just this air fryer. So first we have to marinate these chicken wings. Ang kailangan suka, toyo, ketchup. You have an option to put black pepper or not. Right, so here we go. We're gonna do the marinade. So for me, I like some little bit of pepper, like this one. It looks marami but it's not. So, then I'll put some vinegar, white vinegar, sukang puti, soy sauce or tuyo, and ketchup, banana ketchup. I guess that's enough. I got 7 wings, all for me, all for me. So just mix it like that. My hands are clean because I washed them before I touched the chicken wings. I washed them with soap and clean water. Housekeeping, don't forget. So we're gonna leave this marinade for like half an hour or an hour or so. Alright, that's it. Then we'll go back when they are ready to fry. So it's been an hour and 10 minutes when I first put the chicken wings to marinade, and it's time to put it in to fry. When I put this in for 10 minutes, the result will be like a dried adobo, like pinatuyong adobo. But when I keep it in for 15 minutes, it will look like a barbecue or a grilled chicken. But with 20 minutes, it will be totally fried. Look at that. Can you see it? Alright. Put it in. 20 minutes. But we will be opening it after 10 minutes, as I've said. 15 minutes to check it out. And lastly, 20 minutes. So we expect that after 20 minutes, this is going to be totally fried chicken naman. So guys, let's check it out for after, this is like 8 minutes or 9. Let's check out. That's what I mean, you know? Pinatuyong adobong manok. See what I mean? Alright, let's put it in back. Alright, so let's check it out again after 5 more minutes, so 15 minutes total. Let's see. It should look like barbecue. Voila! See? It looks like barbecue already. The red tone and that juicy, oily chicken manok. Look at that. Alright, so 5 more minutes to complete the 20 minutes to have totally fried chicken manok. Alright, so it's almost 20 minutes, it's almost done, and we're just waiting for the bell to ring. Oh, there you go! So I can smell the fried chicken. Ooh, look at that! It's perfectly fried. You know that red ones? That's not burnt. That's the ketchup that was part of the marinade mixture. So, I love it. So there you go, folks. Frying chicken wings using the click-on air fryer. So the name suggests itself, air fryer. It fries with the air, no oil needed. Until next time, baboosh!